Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today we're going to talk about some simple gardening tips that you may or may not have heard about. The first is about using something that almost everyone out there has available to them every day and does nothing with them but throw them away. I'm talking about coffee grounds that come right out of your coffee maker and usually go right into the trash can. Certain plants love the acid that is in coffee grounds. Place them around acid-loving plants like roses, gardenias, camellias, azaleas, and even blueberries. Coffee grounds deter pests and diseases. If you're having problems with lettuce, beans, daffodils, or other plants that slugs like, pour a ring around the base of the plant to keep slugs from crossing. Coffee grounds are said to prevent late blight in tomatoes and to deter ants. Some mammals like cats and rabbits don't like the smell of coffee and may stay away. Yet, it will attract worms and many people use it in worm bins. Add coffee grounds to your compost pile. They are considered green material, and when mixed with brown materials like straw or leaves, the compost will break down faster. Filters can also be composted, so just add the whole thing to your pile. You can even use coffee grounds when repotting plants. Mix the grounds right in with your potting soil, or add a filter full to the bottom of your pot before adding your soil. The nitrogen in the coffee grounds will help promote new leaf growth. The next tip is about companion planting, which is putting plants together that may benefit one or the other. For example, did you know that basil repels carrot fly, asparagus beetle, and whitefly? Or that catnip repels ants, flea beetles, aphids, squash bugs, and cabbage loopers. Borage repels tomato hornworm and cabbage worms. French marigolds repels whiteflies and nematodes. And garlic repels aphids, carrot fly, codling moth, snails, cabbage looper, and rabbits. And these are just a few of the many plants that are beneficial companions. My last tip for today is how to get rid of those ugly white calcium deposits on walls or pots. Try using a strong solution of vinegar and water or a liquid soil acidifier like Congrow to neutralize the calcium from the hard water. I'll be back with more helpful tips on a future gardening segment. Until then, remember, I make house calls. Call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.